Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Kaisha calls Neo a liar, says he wanted her during the BBNaija show. Let's check out the details.
Have I ever approached you, Neo? The only time I would say I approached him was when I tried to dance with you, and that's it.
The BBNaija reunion show continued with the love triangle being addressed as Kaisha went head-to-head with Neo. In addressing her feelings for Neo and how she thought Neo played her while he tried to have both herself and V at the same time. Addressing the situation, Kaisha expressed herself, saying that she indeed liked Neo a lot, was surprised to see that Neo was constantly playing between her and V. She also mentioned that severally Neo tried to be with her and even revealed that Neo once asked her to kiss him. Amongst other things, Kaisha also said that Neo revealed to her that the only reason he was with V was because V came up to him first. Let's check out a short clip of the heated argument.
Have I ever approached you, Neo? The only time I would say I approached him was when I tried to dance with you, and that's it. But countless of time, Neo, you have been giving me eyes, you have been giving me body signal. Wow. You even had an erection when I danced with you. You did so much, Neo.
This is.
Don't pull that crap with me, okay?
Everybody
V, I try to respect you a lot, but he told me that you were the first person to approach him. That is why he went to meet you, that he would have gone for me.
Wow.
He said so to me. Did you say that?
Away from that, Kidwaya and Nengi also had their moment as they had the opportunity to clear up what they had going on in the house, as most of the housemates insinuated that Nengi had intentions for Kid. After a video was shown where Nengi and Kid were in the bathroom together, both of them denied remembering what happened that night but blamed everything on Aqua. Let's check out the videos. If you remember what happened on this night, from the party when Kidwaya and Nengi were dancing romantically to when Kidwaya choked Nengi, which seemed like a love language for Kidwaya because we saw him do that a lot to Erica, to them suddenly meeting in the restroom and then Kidwaya helping Nengi unzip. Well, that exactly is what Ebuka was trying to clear up. But let's check out this video of Nengi and Uzo trying to clear up the situation too.
Did you know I was paying you?
I knew when you came in. I knew you and Neo. I knew. I was there now, I knew. I saw you guys.
Yeah.
And it was actually still zipping when you guys came in. So if it was anything funny, I'll probably have just walked. I don't know. Wasn't that? He was just helping me realize it. If anything, Kid is like my brother in this house. He's like my brother. Get it into your head. Let it sink. Sink. Like you're my brother. Travel better.
That never happened.
Sorry.
So in the rule book, right, it says if you're doing something you're not supposed to do in the toilet, it'll be shown. In the book, it says you'll be shown. Right? That tells you that nothing happened between me and her in the toilets.
So tell us what happened.
I'm helping her do her zip.
How did you guys end up in the same space, outside of the party?
Man, I need to go to the toilet. I drank a lot that day.
Well, that's what Kid and Nengi had to say. I can't remember. I drank a lot that day. Well, guys, feels like these guys are hiding a lot of things. And we need Ebuka to help us do justice to all of this drama eventually by revealing some more or maybe showing us more clips to tell us what really happened between the both of them. Let's know what you think in the comment section. Basically, let us know the housemate that's been doing it for you so far in this reunion, because right now there's definitely a lot here and there. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.